All right, music fared well for me in the past couple hard challenges. We'll use it again today. All right, this is going down. I remember the Guinness gravy being good, and it is delightful. So I am back at Mulligan's hoping to dominate their 8-pound shepherd's pie challenge. There's pretty much 4 2-pound servings of their shepherd's pie. It's got a whole bunch of beef. There's about 5 pounds of their potatoes. It's got some healthy vegetables in there. It all weighs 8 pounds. In addition to that, there's like 4 or 5 ladles of their Guinness gravy. And then I've never actually had any of their marble rye bread. So I've still got all that here in front. My friend Molly Schuyler, she's got the record, and it's under 4 minutes. But yeah, 45 minutes. If I fail, this thing is gonna be $75. But if I do win, I will get my entire meal for free. I will get another sweet Mulligan's t-shirt, and I will be just the 5th person to get my name and photo up on the Wall of Fame for beating their 8-pound shepherd's pie challenge. I did forget there's Wisconsin cheddar cheese all throughout here too. Yes. All right, the record is passed, so let's just do the best that Randy can. That's all right. I joked about chugging a Guinness at the end of this. We'll see if that happens. To be real honest, I think the big spoon might actually be going against me. With how many potatoes there are, this is very thick. I think I'm more inefficient trying to take big bites. I will say I didn't actually watch my 2019 video because it would just upset me or scare me, but I'm guessing that I'm a lot faster paced than I was back then. As you can see, I am wearing a smaller shirt. I've lost quite a bit of weight since then too. We are 15.5 minutes in now, which means we've got less than 30 minutes to go, more than 29, but we're well over halfway through the actual challenge, so we're on a good pace. Winning is all that matters. For challenges that I actually lose because I actually did lose and where the restaurant didn't make it harder on me, all that matters is that I win the rematch. Because if I lose, the challenge is freaking hard. And over 100 people have tried and failed this thing. Only seasoned professionals have actually won. Nobody's ever won this with fewer than 200 food challenge wins. I originally said my strategy was going to involve the bread earlier on, but I don't think that's smart. I think I'm going to finish all of the potatoes and everything and then do the rye bread last. I'll be able to coast to the finish. I'd say we're done with 7 pounds. We got 1 pound left. Tell you what, the bread is a challenge in itself. Thankfully it's light though, we'll be all right. Brian just said that the bread is optional. I might have made that up. But no, let's leave no doubt with the shepherd's pie. I am the 5th person to finish the shepherd's pie. All right, now we're done with all the potatoes, thank goodness. All right, we're right at 24 minutes in, so that means we got 21 minutes to finish this bread. My old playlist, though, was all Miley Cyrus, Avril Lavigne, Kesha, a little bit of Taylor Swift, and then NSYNC, Bye Bye Bye, hoping to have that at the end of challenges. And then I had a little bit of Rihanna, and then lots of Eminem just to man it up. My original goal was 30 minutes, but it's been pushed back to 40. We're gonna get it. Thank you guys all for being here. As much as I friggin' want to, I can't chug a beer after all that. It might come up. So I must say slancha with just the last bit of marble rye, delicious bread. It's almost 10 times the record, but it is the record for me. I just wanted to get the victory. I am very proud of this win tonight. 33 minutes and 59 seconds. Win before you begin, just like I did today to dominate this rematch. Thank you guys for watching. 1, 2, 3, boom.